Alright guys, hey everybody, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching my videos and your support. Don't forget to hit the like on this video, subscribe to my channel. And in this video, you know, it's kind of like a rainy morning, so both of my babies are just, you know, a little moist. And yeah, so anyways, what I'm gonna do today is I have the European headlights pretty much ready to install on this baby. As you saw actually, you know, these were all refreshed, as you can see, looking really nice. So I'm doing the same thing to this car. You know, this car came with actually you know, these Euro headlights, so I decided to actually take them apart and, you know, paint these fog lamps. This color is actually really beautiful. It's pretty much going to be similar to what you see right now with these American headlights. Don't get me wrong, I really love these American headlights and all that, but as a second sense, since I have these European headlights, I'm just going to install them on this car. And it's nice because they actually have connectors with these, so that's nice. It's kind of be like almost like plug and play type of thing. And as far as this side, I mean, of course I'm gonna have to remove the bezels first, the doors, so for easier access you can actually take this off. And you know, you're gonna take this off first and then the headlight assembly, and later I just really want to install those European headlights because I think it's gonna really bring a nice look to it. You can see there's a wheel bearing grease. I noticed there was some spots that were like scratched off or something, so I just did that. Yeah, this car's coming along, as you guys saw in the video. You know, the trunk, you know, opens up right now. I just need to figure out the deal with you know, the lock. I need to buy a new, maybe I can go to the dealership, they can buy me a new, they can order me a new lock like this that's gonna come with a key, because this is not from this car. This lock is from a different car, so that's the problem. And as you can see, we have a lot of leaks here everywhere, so that will need to be addressed and taken care of. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of work need to be done on this car, but it's worth it. They all deserve to live, and we love saving old school Mercedes, so that's gonna be coming up. So what do you think, guys? I think it's gonna look pretty nice with these European headlights. Let me know your opinions. I'm ready to install this right now and see how the car looks. Alright guys, so first things first, you gotta remove these knobs, plastic knobs that are holding the headlight doors, headlight bezels. So we're gonna do that. There's one down there actually. Alright, after the three knobs are out, the headlight bezel is gonna come off. Actually, before doing that, either way you're gonna have to remove this turn signal side marker assembly. So there's another plastic knob holding it, so remove that guy. Now you can push this guy out. So carefully let it hang. Now you can carefully take this bezel off, and it's awesome, it's actually all intact. Usually these are either broken off, these three mounts or something, so we're we're just going to put it all on there. Now here's what's holding these this main assembly in place. There's right there. There's a screw. There's a screw right there. Looks like somebody's been here before. Not original screws. There's one right there. That's original. One here. So we're gonna take these off, and this whole thing is gonna come out. Also, you're gonna have to disconnect the connector in the bottom, right there. So after the four screws are removed, this can come out. And then you gotta disconnect this connector. Alright, for the safety, I removed the battery actually cable negative. I'm gonna be dealing as you can see, this connector is missing, you know. There's like bare wires, so they can touch each other, so just be careful, you know, or disconnect the battery first. So I'm gonna carefully remove them. I'm gonna kind of note where each one goes.
1 hour later.
So my 126 is running currently, and I kinda just finished this side, you know, and I think it looks really good. Yes, oh my god, it looks pretty amazing. The only thing is I still have to finish it up because I need to go get some like retainers, like clips. Actually, I might actually pop this one out and install it, so we'll see. But long story short is I gotta get a connector for this guy, and I gotta be careful. I'm gonna leave the battery off for now because I don't want to short any wires out, and I gotta get some bulbs for this guy. You know, it's missing bulbs. I haven't replaced this side yet, and as far as these old school, you know, American style headlights, I'm gonna take them off. As you can see, this one is off already, so I'm gonna take these off and, you know, clean them all up nicely, lubricate everything, and just save them as, you know, spare headlights. So that's how this thing looks right now. I would say big difference. I really love European headlights. You know, I know some of you guys don't like European headlights, but they're actually amazing. Honestly saying, I mean, like, they give you a really amazing different look. Totally. You know, but I still, you know, like, don't get me wrong, I love these type of headlights as well. You know, they're amazing. Also, like, especially if you replace these bezels, you know, if you have these you know, the fog lamps looking nicely, you know, all nice and stuff, so that's actually really awesome as well. But, you know, since I had this pair laying around, I was like, okay, I'll just install it, you know. And also the nice thing is that these turn the side markers, these turn signals, you can actually change them. You can put some different ones as well. You can put the orange ones and all that. So pretty excited actually. I think, in my opinion, it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so what I actually did is I transferred these clips to this spot from these two spots because they have different spots for the American and Euro headlights. So the Euro headlights are gonna bolt up right there and the American right there. So that's why I figured this thing out, just swapped them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I can reinstall those guys right now. Alright guys, so, you know, I'm finishing up the work on this door. Replaced the strap. Strap is replaced, and opening and closing really nice. I'll show you later, but right now I wanted to show you really quick what I did is, well, we replaced the headlights, but they're not done yet. But this one, this is the gonna be another set. Okay, it's gonna be another set. These are actually really nice. You know, headlights. These are actually not sealed beam. These are the ones where you can actually change the bulb. And this is all Bosch, the rest of it. And then I cleaned them up really nicely and everything. So what I need to get done is remove these plastic knobs and then lubricate everything, lubricate those threads before I put them back on, and then I can wrap everything. Okay, so it's gonna be the plan.